Are you ready to test your IELTS reading skills and take your preparation to the next level? Today you will complete an academic reading passage with 13 IELTS style questions. You will have 15 minutes to test your reading skills before checking the detailed explanations. Knowing English is not enough for IELTS reading. You also need the right strategies, speed, and exam skill. But don't worry, with the right practice and strategies, you can improve your IELTS reading test. Welcome to day 7 and our IELTS 30-day challenge by Sarah and Gonna Face Inspirations. Grab your notebooks, set your timer, and challenge yourself. Can you achieve a perfect score today? Read the passage carefully. You will have time to answer all questions. Pause the video when you see the instruction screen and continue when you are ready to check your answers. Here is IELTS Academic Reading Practice Test. The passage is about the history and science of coffee.
Coffee has become one of the most widely consumed beverages in the world, enjoyed by millions of people every day. Although modern coffee culture is strongly associated with cafes, international brands, and social gatherings, the history of coffee stretches back many centuries. Its journey from a wild plant in Africa to a global industry reveals interesting connections between agriculture, trade, science, and human society. The origins of coffee are believed to date back to the ancient forests of Ethiopia. According to a popular legend, a goat herder named Kaldi noticed that his goats became unusually active after eating small red berries from a certain tree. Although historians cannot confirm whether this story is true, it represents one explanation of how humans may have discovered the stimulating effects of coffee. The knowledge of these berries eventually reached local communities, where people began experimenting with different ways to prepare them. By the 15th century, coffee cultivation had spread to the Arabian Peninsula. Yemen became one of the first places where coffee was grown commercially. Arab traders carefully controlled the production and export of coffee plants, making the drink an important part of their economy. Coffee houses, known as kawakhane, appeared throughout the region. These establishments became centers where people gathered to exchange ideas, discuss politics, listen to music, and conduct business. During the 17th century, coffee arrived in Europe and quickly gained popularity. At first, some religious leaders criticized the drink because they considered it unusual and unfamiliar. However, after being approved by authorities, coffee became a fashionable beverage among European citizens. Coffee houses opened in major cities such as London, Paris, and Vienna. These locations became important meeting places for writers, scientists, merchants, and politicians. The expansion of European colonial powers changed the coffee industry significantly. European countries established coffee plantations in tropical regions where the climate was suitable for growing the plant. Countries in South America, Asia, and the Caribbean became major producers. However, the growth of the coffee industry was also connected with difficult social issues, including the exploitation of workers on some plantations. Today, coffee production is a major global industry. Brazil, Vietnam, Colombia, and Indonesia are among the world's leading coffee-producing countries. Modern technology has improved farming methods, allowing producers to increase efficiency and maintain quality. Scientists continue to study coffee because of its complex chemical composition and possible effects on human health. Coffee contains caffeine, a natural substance that affects the human nervous system. Many people drink coffee because caffeine can increase alertness and reduce tiredness. Researchers have also investigated whether moderate coffee consumption may be linked to certain health benefits. However, excessive consumption can cause negative effects, including sleep problems and increased anxiety in some individuals. The future of coffee depends on several challenges. Climate change threatens coffee growing regions because rising temperatures and changing rainfall patterns can affect crop production. Farmers and researchers are exploring solutions such as developing stronger coffee varieties and using sustainable farming methods. As demand for coffee continues to grow, protecting the future of this valuable crop remains an important global concern.
Well done, you have completed reading the passage. Before we move to the next section of questions, let's understand the timing and strategy for this practice test. In the real IELTS academic reading exam, you have 60 minutes to complete 3 passages, which means you get approximately 20 minutes for each passage. For today's day 7 practice, I am giving you exactly 20 minutes to answer all 13 questions. This will help you build your reading speed and improve your accuracy step by step. If you need the practice material, I have uploaded the reading passage and questions worksheet. You can find the link in the description and I will also pin it in the comment section so you can easily access it. Before you start answering, let's quickly review some important IELTS real reading strategies. First, read all the question carefully and understand what type of information you need to find. Second, use skimming to get the main idea of the passage and understand the overall structure. Third, use scanning to quickly locate specific information such as name, dates, number, and important keywords. Also, don't forget to underline keywords in the questions. These keywords will help you find the relevant information faster in the passage. Remember, you do not need to understand every single word. Focus on finding the correct information efficiently. Now pause the video, set your timer for 20 minutes and try to complete all 13 questions by yourself. When you are ready, continue the video to check your answers with detailed explanation. And after that, comment done in the comment section. All the best. That's all for today's lesson. If you enjoyed this lesson, like this video to support our IELTS 30-day challenge. Comment your score out of 10 or tell us your biggest challenge in IELTS reading. Share this lesson with friends who are preparing for IELTS. Subscribe to Sarah and Boniface Inspirations and turn on notification so you don't miss the next lesson. In day 8, we will start IELTS Writing Task 1, where you will learn how to describe chart, graphs, tables, and letters with the correct structure and vocabulary. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and believe in yourself. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.